Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to use quick charge mode on your XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So basically what you guys can do is when you have the XIAOMI phone with you and you got the charger, then it's probably supporting fast charging. So as well as the case here also supports it, then what you guys can do is basically plug in the phone charger right here to the USB-C port, and it should be fast charging. So I may say it's faster than the quick charge mode. And basically you do not have settings for quick charge modes inside of the app, but you can just use a faster charger and it should definitely work. So that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.